Babies are born with a remarkable array of skills. Even though our newborn babies rely on us for so much, they come into the world with a surprisingly wide variety of skills and abilities. Here are just a few of the amazing things that a newborn can do. They can tell the difference between sounds. They've been hearing familiar voices since they were around 18 weeks along in utero and can distinguish between a range of voices when they're born. This is partly why singing, reading, and speaking to babies in utero and newborns is so soothing. They are extremely strong. We highly recommend you don't try this, but newborn babies can grasp onto something, like a finger, with one hand hard enough to support their own body weight. This is called the palmar grasp. They have a reflex that makes it seem like they can swim. Until around 6 months of age, babies have what's called the bradycardic response, which causes them to hold their breath when they feel cold water on their face. Their heartbeat even slows down to conserve oxygen, and they may even start to move their limbs like they're swimming. It's vital to note that newborn babies cannot actually swim and should always be closely monitored around any depth of water. Newborns have more taste buds than you do. At birth, babies have a huge number of taste buds spread out over their tongues, cheeks, palates, and even on their tonsils. In utero, growing babies had a chance to experience various tastes and aromas through amniotic fluid, which studies show may help shape their later food preferences. They are excellent smellers. Studies show that babies are born with a fairly sophisticated sense of smell and can even sniff out the difference between their mother's breast milk and someone else's. They learn extremely fast. Research shows that babies learn at a remarkably high rate, retaining new information and skills much faster than adults, and ending up with more than twice as many synapses, connections between neurons, as an adult does. The first 3 years of life contain the most rapid rate of brain development in a person's entire lifetime.